Hello students, our today's topic is Assets Balance Carryforward for all the ledgers. When you close the last fiscal year and open the current one as it was processed in the last step, then you also have to perform balance carryforward for all the ledgers. For assets accounting, the balance carryforward takes place as a part of the balance carryforward program for general ledger accounting. For the balance carryforward in assets accounting, there are the following changes. Until now, the new fiscal year open at the start of processing, that is, before the processing of the assets related data. Now, the new fiscal year is only open if the system has processed all the assets successfully without any grave errors. Therefore, it is particularly important that you perform the balance carryforward again. If incorrect carryforward data exists, execute the balance carryforward again. When the balance is carried forward, the system no longer processes only active fixed assets. For consistency reasons, the system now also processes assets. You can see the deactivation date as previously in the master record of the asset. For that, we can use transaction code FAGLGVTR or by path SAP Assets Accounting, Financial Accounting, Fixed Assets, Periodic Processing, Fiscal Year Change and Balance Carryforward, Central Finance. SAP में जाकर डिफाइन करते हैं. SAP Assets Accounting, Financial Accounting, Fixed Assets, Periodic Processing, Fiscal Year Change, Balance Carryforward, Central FI. Just execute it. Enter our ledger. From here, okay, so we'll select 2024, company code TRE1, मल्टीपल सिलेक्शन में जाके हम डिफाइन करते हैं रीडिंग लेजर 0L एंड हमने दिया था TR, तो यहाँ पर मेंशन करते हैं TR एंड जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट. देन we have to click on test run. Just execute. ओके, यहाँ पर देखो हमारे लॉग आ रहे. Just check. Posting not possible in company code. Specify open fiscal year. For company code TRE1 in asset accounting, open fiscal year has not been specified. Just back. Continue. Click on new session. OA84 fiscal year variant TR from calendar year 2024 and then execute. यहाँ पर हमारा सारा पीरियड कंट्रोल डिफाइन होगा. Just come back. just remove test run and just click on execute. Now click on create request, enter your description, period, control for fiscal year variant, just execute, continue, just come back. And now come on our balance carry forward and just click on execute. Still same error showing. Okay, just we will solve it later.